Hi baddies, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite influencer, Kierstinsimonemgmt, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to achieve this beautiful Barbie ponytail look for Valentine's Day. This hair was sponsored by ULAHAIR, so check the description box for the direct link to the hair and all of their information via their website. So if you are interested in how I achieve this Barbie ponytail, keep on watching. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start off with ULAHAIR. They sent me 3 bundles, 18 inches. I am going to start off by parting my side part, and I'm gonna do a deep C shape for the side part effect. I always tell you guys, go in a C shape when you're doing a part or your baby hairs, so you can get that really nice deep effect. And I'm just cleaning up the parts here, and I'm gonna go and take that part all the way down to my ear. And again, I'm just cleaning up that C shape that we're forming for the side part. And I'm just going to comb the side back and then go ahead and take out some baby hair that we're going to swoop or gel down later. And so after I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and take my comb and start brushing my hair up in the position of the ponytail. So I'm just going to put everything in one direction. And then after that, we're going to get started with actually molding our ponytail in position. Right here, I'm just going to take some rubber bands to hold the ponytail in place before we go ahead and start molding it. So now I'm going to take the Even Ponytail Freeze Spray. I've never seen the bottle have ponytail on it. I did not know they had a specific bottle for ponytails. So girl, we're going to take the ponytail spray and we're just going to start spraying that all over the hair. We're going to take our brush and start brushing the flyaways into the ponytail. After we've got our ponytail in position, I'm going to take some braiding hair and I'm just going to start braiding the hair into mine to create a longer ponytail. And this is the extension part of the ponytail. Of course, I'm braiding hair into mine so that we can have a longer ponytail because I have short hair. But just because you have short hair doesn't mean you can have a long Barbie tail. So that is why we're braiding the hair into ours. And there isn't a specific length that I chose. I just braid until I feel like it's long enough for me to wrap the bundles around and to have the same desired length. And you can always cut the bundles, cut the hair, cut the braiding hair if you think it's too long. So I don't have a specific method as to why I chose this long braid. Just braid it until you think it's long enough for the ponytail you desire. And I'm just going to close it off with a rubber band. And of course, when we close it off, we're going to take some scissors and cut it. I'm now going to take some hair glue and I'm going to put the hair glue on the braid. Now, usually people will put the black wrap around the braid. I did not have any at the time, and this is not my hair anyways. And so I just sprayed the ponytail bond on the braid. I also put a little bit of glue on the little bit of the first track, and I just started wrapping it around the braid that we have created. As I wrap it a few times, I'm going to go ahead and take the ponytail bond spray and the hair glue once again and seal the end portion of that bundle. I'm going to take one more bundle and we're going to do that same process. Glue on the braid, a little ponytail spray, and then a little bit of glue on the beginning of the track and start wrapping it around the ponytail until we get all the way to the top to seal the ponytail off. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I do apologize about the lighting while wrapping my ponytail. Girl, my arms was hurting. If you've ever done an extended ponytail, girl, you know you done gained about 10 pounds of muscle after wrapping that ponytail. My arms were hurting so bad, so I kept bending down out of the frame and the light was just adjusting. So I do apologize about that. But finally, we're getting to the top of the ponytail. So we're just going to wrap it around the base until we get to that last bit of track. And so now that we're getting to the last bit of track, we're going to take some glue, put it on the base of the ponytail and wrap it around so it can be sealed and it doesn't unravel. We would hate for our ponytail to unravel, so go ahead and take that glue and seal it off. Now I'm going to take an end piece from the back of the ponytail and start wrapping that around at the base, combing it out and spraying some of that freeze spray so it can stick, and you have a nice pretty base to hide that track at the bottom. All right, so of course my hair is short in the front. I am going to take a piece of track from the third bundle from ULAHAIR, put glue on it of course, and start laying that in the middle of my part just to give me a little bit more hair when I'm doing my swoop piece. And I took 2 pieces of hair. So I had 2 pieces of extra hair in the middle, and then I started to form the side part and how I want it to be molded. So I just took my comb and started swooping my hair before I put any product there. Now we're going to take the freeze spray and we're just going to mold that hair into place. And now we're going to wrap that ending piece and we're just going to spray more molding spray and pin it up by ponytails and then wrap that ending piece around the base. And so now, girl, we're gonna get real experimental. Girl, I was sent these baby hairs a while ago in another PR package, and I just decided to try them. I just on a whim decided to try them, and I'm super focused. Like, I'm cutting that lace off. I cannot stand my faces when I'm doing my hair. It's real meticulous, y'all, but I'm just cutting that lace off. But honestly, that was some good lace because it really did blend into the skin like easy. Like boom, look at that. That's crazy. So I combed my actual hair back, and now I'm just going to take some of that freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray that on my hairline, a little bit above my hairline, like we do, you know, any type of lace unit that we're applying. And then once that's nice and tacky, after a few layers, I'm going to place that baby hair on top of that freeze spray. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, like this portion kind of stressed me out. These baby hair stressed me out for real. It's gonna take a few times to practice to get this right. So I'm just placing the other baby hair along my hairline. And then after I have secured it on the hairline, I'm just going to brush them out. Once they are brushed out, I'm just going to go ahead and cut them. And then I'm going to take some of the bowl hole lace jelly, and that's what I'm going to use to lay the baby hair down. Now, like I said earlier, girl, this was kind of tough. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was kind of tough. It took me a time or two to actually be able to lay the baby hair lace right, but then also add my hair on top of the lace edge. Okay, so if you want to try these, you want to be experimental, you're gonna have to play with it for a little bit. You're gonna have to. But I ended up getting it somewhat right. You know, maybe I have to just practice it a few more times, but I ended up getting it somewhat right, and it did blend very well, and it did add some thickness to my edges. So I really did like that. So I just kept swooping and shaping and swooping and shaping until it just got right. And so I'm just going to blend the end of the baby hair into the ponytail, and I'm going to do the same thing with this lace. Now this one was a little too big for my liking, so I did end up cutting it a little bit just so it could be fitting to my hair. And now we get into the Barbie portion of the ponytail. Girl, I started chopping the end off because I wanted to have a nice flip effect, and it was a little bit too long for my liking anyways, so I just started chopping it at the end, and then I took the middle part of the ponytail and chopped it a little bit shorter than the ending so it can have those nice flips all throughout the ponytail. And you see what I mean? It's shorter at the top of the ponytail and then longer at the bottom, right? And I took the flat iron and I just started flipping everything up, and this is the finished look, ladies. All right, guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you truly enjoy my content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and become a part of the Betty Kartel, period. You know you want to. New content coming soon always. Thank you guys so much for your recent support on my latest videos. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you baddies in the next one.